They said they were at work, but their phone tells a different story. In 2026, deleted GPS data isn't gone. It's just waiting to be mapped. Here's how to recover every location, every route, and every secret stop they tried to erase. Locations never die. Footprints leave traces. Location data is the single most powerful source of truth in any investigation. Most people think turning off location services or wiping their Google Maps history keeps them off the grid. But reality check. Modern smartphones and even connected cars embed GPS coordinates into hidden files, cache memories, and third-party apps, all recoverable with the right tools. Today, I'm breaking down how 2026 tech makes location deletion obsolete. This is the playbook for retrieving what someone wanted gone forever. Here's the 2026 location recovery triad. 3 next-gen forensic methods that reconstruct every move with surgical accuracy. First, deep cache and SQLite reconstruction. Forensic software pulls location fragments from buried system files, random apps, photo geotags, even Wi-Fi logs. These fragments reassemble into a clean chronological timeline. Second, vehicle infotainment and Bluetooth forensics. Modern cars are silent witnesses. Even if the phone's off, your car logs every Bluetooth handshake, GPS ping, trip start and end. All of it can be wirelessly pulled into a forensic dashboard, showing a week's worth of routes, commutes, detours, secret side trips. Third, third-party app location residue, food delivery, ride shares, fitness. They each stash their own location logs. Wipe your main Maps app, but forget these? Each one leaks GPS coordinates into a central timeline. The result? Gaps filled, secrets exposed. Why does this matter? With these 2026 tools, you get full historical route reconstruction. Months, even years of movement with daily routes and hidden patterns illuminated. Bypass all deletion attempts. Wipe Google Maps, reset permissions, even factory wipe the device. Doesn't matter. These forensic tools recover what standard deletion can't even touch. Cross-referencing GPS pings with texts, calls, and photos. That's a court-admissible timeline. A spouse says they stayed home sick. Deep cache recovery shows visits to hidden addresses aligned with deleted Uber receipts. An employee returns a company car, claims it was work only. Infotainment forensics show nightly detours. Bluetooth logs don't lie. A teenager swears they were at a friend's. Fitness app residue proves otherwise. 5 miles out every weekend last month. In 2026, every step leaves a scar on the digital earth. Deletion isn't disappearance, it's concealment, and concealment can be exposed. For confidential access to next-generation GPS recovery platforms and forensic mapping consultation, contact our digital intelligence team. Email techcontinental5d@gmail.com. Telegram, https t.me techcontinental. The ground never forgets. 2020.